Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how you can fix Shopify TikTok app not compatible error. Now, whenever you try to download the TikTok app inside your Shopify store, you see like not compatible at the bottom. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this. This is going to be a quick tutorial. Before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Let's get started right now. Now, first thing to fix Shopify TikTok app not compatible error, you want to just log in into your Shopify store. Okay, that's the first step. Then what you guys need to do next is you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on general, okay, in the top. After guys, you click on general, here where it says billing address, you want to click on this pin button, okay, and you want to change the country to United States, because the reason why you don't see you see that error is because the country you are in doesn't support TikTok app. Okay, so what you guys need to do is to change it to any country like United States. Okay, I'm going to change it to United States, and you can just select a random state here, doesn't really matter. Los Angeles, for example. Okay, click on save, and then now what you guys need to do is you want to download the app, and after that you want to go back to the same settings and change the location to your original location. Now I'm going to search for TikTok. Now, as you can see, TikTok is now available to download, as you can see here. Now, before it's going to like, you will see a red text at the bottom that's not compatible. Now you can install it. After you install it, you want to go back to general, click on the pin icon, and then change the location to your original country. That's what I'm going to do right now. I changed it to my country, which is Morocco. That's it. That's exactly how you can download TikTok app inside your Shopify store. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I reply to every single comment. Like I said, drop a like, and see you guys in the next video.